Welcome to our tutorial about the do-until loop. Let's pick up where we left off in our previous tutorial. The do-while loop repeats until a condition is true. There's some situations when you'd want your code to repeat until a situation becomes true. That's where the do-until loop comes in handy. Here we've got the code that we used in our previous tutorial. Let's modify it a little bit. Instead of do while, I'm going to type in until. Let's change both comparison operators. And let's click OK to run our routine. I'm going to keep clicking OK until the routine ends. And the loop stops. Now, one thing to watch out for when you're working with loops. If I replace this plus sign here with a minus sign, what'll happen is that this conditional statement will always remain false. The problem that gets you into is called an infinite loop. The only reason it won't crash your computer is because of the message box function that I've got below here. So do watch out for a situation like this. And this concludes our tutorial about the do-until loop.